Imagine your website soaring to the top of search results, leaving your competitors in the dust. What if I told you there's a secret weapon that can make this dream a reality? Well, today's your lucky day. Because in this video, we are about to reveal 10 brand new SEO tools that will take your search engine optimization to the next level and drive more traffic to your site. So, if you're ready, don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Digital Hub for more digital marketing tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. First up is Semrush. This tool is like a crystal ball for keyword insights. You can analyze your competitors, uncover hidden keyword gaps, and track your rankings. It's a game changer for any serious SEO. Next, we have Ahrefs, the ultimate backlink ninja. It allows you to spy on your competitors' link profiles and find high-quality link opportunities. Building powerful backlinks is the key to boosting your authority and dominating the SERPs. Now, let's dive into Surfer SEO. This tool is like a secret decoder ring for on-page optimization. It analyzes your content against top-ranking pages and gives you personalized recommendations to make your pages irresistible to search engines. Don't forget about the power of video. TubiBuddy is the ultimate wingman for optimizing your YouTube videos. It helps you find the best keywords, craft eye-catching thumbnails, and even run A/B tests to boost your video's visibility. If you're a local business, Moz Local is your new best friend. It helps you manage your online presence across directories and platforms, ensuring your business info is consistent and search-friendly. Local SEO is the secret sauce for attracting nearby customers. Screaming Frog SEO Spider is an excellent tool for crawling your website and identifying technical issues. It's perfect for a deep dive into your site's SEO health. Schema Markup is another essential tool in your SEO arsenal. By adding Schema Markup to your website, you can provide search engines with additional context about your content, leading to rich snippets in the SERPs and engaging search results. Next, Frase is a game changer for creating SEO-friendly content. It analyzes your content for readability, keyword density, and topical relevance, giving you personalized recommendations to optimize your articles and blog posts. Next, let's talk about AI content creation tools. Having tools like GPT-3 and Jasper is like having a personal content genius on your team. Just feed it your topic, and it'll spit out engaging, SEO-optimized articles that will leave your readers in shock. User experience is the unsung hero of SEO. Google PageSpeed Insights is a tool that can be used to analyze your site's speed and performance. A fast, mobile-friendly website keeps users engaged and reduces bounce rates, which search engines love. So these were the 10 game-changing tools that will help you dominate the search engines in 2024. Incorporating these tools and techniques will give your SEO strategy a major boost in 2024. Remember, SEO is an ever-evolving landscape, so keep experimenting, learning, and adapting to stay ahead of the curve.